Hey everybody and welcome back. Today we made some macaroni and cheese, really easy meal to get going. So we're going to go ahead and add in some butter and garlic into a pan. We're going to keep this on low just to slowly start cooking it down. And while you're doing this, you're going to want to start cooking your noodles also. The noodles took about 7 minutes as well. You're going to add in 2 cups of heavy whipping cream, and then we're going to start adding in some seasonings. So I did salt, pepper, I did some garlic powder, onion powder, and then I did some Cajun seasoning to add a little bit of spice. But yeah, like I said, boil noodles for about 7 minutes, and then you're gonna want to take them out and drain them while this is still kind of simmering up and melting your cheese. For the cheese, I did mozzarella and cheddar, and then I added in some cubed Velveeta cheese as well. And then you're just gonna want this to start melting down too while your noodles are kind of cooling off. I put them in some butter to make sure they didn't stick. And we're just gonna slowly melt the cheese. And when that's done, go ahead and dump your noodles into the skillet. I thought I almost did not have enough room, but barely made it. And then just slowly start moving it around, letting the cheese kind of soak into the noodles. I added some breadcrumbs on the top and just baked it like for 10 minutes just to get them a little bit crispy. That's how we like it. But yeah, really easy meal. Highly recommend you try. Thank you.